You may not realize it, but your eyes do some of their most important work while you sleep. Not by seeing, but by repairing. And as we age, that repair becomes more important. For many over 60, vision loss doesn't happen all at once. It sneaks in overnight, little by little. You wake up with dry, heavy, even sore eyes. You blink, hoping it'll pass. Sometimes it does. Other times, the blur lingers longer than before. That's because the eyes begin to struggle with overnight recovery. The natural processes that once restored clarity and energy during sleep begin to slow down. Without support, each morning starts a step behind. We often think about rest for our backs, feet, or minds, but not our eyes. They endure screens all day and artificial light late at night. Then a few hours of broken sleep and we expect them to feel refreshed, but they don't. They're inflamed, undernourished, and lacking the circulation they need to recover. The truth is, sleep alone isn't enough for aging eyes. What they need is targeted, gentle nourishment during rest. And the good news is that support can come from something as simple as a warm herbal drink before bed. The body is especially responsive in the hour before sleep. If we flood it with stimulation, it resists rest. But if we guide it calmly, it listens. Certain teas go beyond relaxation. They improve blood flow to the eyes, reduce inflammation, and ease stress on the optic nerve. Most importantly, they help you reach the kind of deep sleep where healing happens. That doesn't mean mixing a bunch of herbs together. Each plant has a purpose. Some calm the nervous system. Others improve circulation. You're not just soothing symptoms, you're creating the right conditions for the eyes to restore themselves. Many vision problems begin small. A little dryness, pressure, or reduced pigment sensitivity. Over time, these changes build up. You might avoid night driving, turn on extra lights to read, or feel like the world looks dimmer. But this decline isn't always permanent. It's often the result of neglect, and it can be gently reversed. Imagine ending your day with a simple ritual that supports your eyes from the inside out. A warm drink, a quiet space, your body easing into rest. The herbs silently opening vessels, calming inflammation, and supporting nerve health. Nothing dramatic, just steady, natural balance. You don't need expensive pills or medical treatments to start. Often, the most powerful remedies are already in your kitchen. Flowers and seeds used for generations, safe, gentle, and effective. Sometimes it's just a matter of reaching for the right one at the right time. There's deep healing in creating stillness at night, not just for sleep, but for true recovery. When your nervous system calms, your circulation improves, and your breath slows down, your eyes begin to thank you, not all at once, but in small, steady ways. Less dryness, less strain, a little more clarity. That's where the real magic happens, not in sudden miracles, but in quiet consistency. Healing isn't something you force, it's something you allow through care and calm, night after night. If you've ever felt like your eyes are working harder than they used to, you're not alone, and you're not broken. You're simply adjusting to a body that needs more care, and that care doesn't have to be complicated. In just a few minutes each evening, with a warm cup and a moment of intention, you can give your eyes what they've quietly been asking for. So tonight, before you reach for your phone, try something different. Step into the quiet. Brew something gentle. Let your body know it's safe to rest. And as you do, your eyes will begin to restore, naturally, peacefully, and in their own time.